Hey there, how are you guys? Hope you're fine and doing good. In today's video, we will discuss how to make profit with NFT art. We know that NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. It's just like you're buying a Pokemon card. The first step that you have to do is to go to metamask.com. That is actually an extension of Google and where you create your cryptocurrency wallet that interacts with Ethereum blockchain to buy NFTs. The next step you have to do is to go to OpenSea or Rarible.com. Connect your MetaMask wallet there to create an account. And in the beginning, you will not have any NFTs. To buy NFTs, you need to have Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet. Before we continue the video, subscribe to our channel to get more exciting videos and also hit the bell icon. Think for a second why people want to buy NFTs. It is because people like to have a rare art piece that only they can own. So, in the OpenSea, you will have categories of different NFTs that you can buy, like art pieces, trading cards, collectibles, etc. The prices usually depend on the rarity of the art pieces. One can buy an NFT at a lesser price and then he can sell it at a greater price in the future and earn money from that. There are some NFTs that are being sold for millions of dollars, but they were not worth that much when they were created. When you buy an NFT, it will go into your OpenSea profile and then you will have it as yours. Later, you can display it back in the market for sale at a fixed price, or people will start giving you offers by bidding on it as if you want to sell that NFT. Rarity of an NFT makes the art piece different from any other and due to its specific unique traits. To make profit from NFTs, you usually buy at a low floor price that can be sold at a higher price to the other buyers. Hence, in this way, the process goes on and the profit chain continues.